Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. This is Shantanu and I welcome you all to the part 1 of our August 2020 series, and today we are going to do various important current affairs questions, and there will be assignment questions for you at the end of the session. So please do watch it till the end and answer those questions in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's jump into the session. The first question for today: which of the following states has launched e-Raksha Bandhan program for cyber crime awareness? Friends, the correct answer is B, Andhra Pradesh. So let's see what this e-Raksha Bandhan program is. So it is an initiative for providing cyber crime awareness to the people, and ये दो institution जो है CID and the state police, both of them has together launched this e-Raksha Bandhan program. So CID is its full form is Criminal Investigation Department, which is a subdivision of the state police. So both of these institutions are going to aware people about cyber crime. Okay, and who's the CM of Andhra Pradesh? The correct answer is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. So three important thing in one question. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which institution is planning to set up a virtual museum for securities market to highlight achievements and milestone of Indian capital market? Friends, the correct answer is B, Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, and it's the regulator of all the financial market in the country. चलिए अपन PTM देखते हैं. Now this museum is intended to be a visual online organized collection of the history of evolution, its achievement and the milestones achieved by Indian securities market over these decades. So अभी तक की हिस्ट्री में क्या क्या अचीवमेंट्स हुए हैं, क्या माइलस्टोन अचीव किए हैं, क्या रेगुलेशंस में चेंजेस हुए हैं, वो सब आपको इस ऑनलाइन म्यूजियम में दिखेगा. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which is the first country in the world to have successfully trained police dogs to detect COVID-19 cases in passengers arriving at its airport? Very interesting question. Okay, so correct answer है UAE. UAE ने अपने dogs को ऐसा ट्रेन कर लिया है कि वो COVID-19 cases डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं कैसे. So how these dogs are trained is that they are trained to sniff the person's sweat. So through the sweat they detect whether he is positive or not. And very important thing is that dogs do not come in direct contact with the people. So imagine you're on an airport and there will be a room, separate room, in which dog will be there and he will be provided with the this person's sweat or the smell of the sweat, and then he can then the dog can detect whether you are positive or not. Okay, moving forward. Which of the following union territories has launched eGyan Mitra mobile app for online education? Friends, the correct answer is C, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. So along with Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu has also launched this app. So what this app is, basically it's all about providing higher online classes. Teachers can provide online classes to the students and they can also give tests on this app itself. I hope this is clear, very easy. Moving forward. Okay, who's recently appointed as the MD and CEO of HDFC Bank? Very, very, very essential question. Please note it down, whatever you want to do, but you should remember. The correct answer is C, Sashidhar Jagdishan. He has very, very recently taken over as the MD and CEO. Before him, Aditya Puri was there. And very important thing is that before any bank changes or appoints a new MD or CEO, the bank has to take the permission of RBI. RBI, the banking regulator. So it's essential. Okay, so RBI has given a nod to it. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Who is appointed as the new Lieutenant General Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Very important question. अभी appoint हुए हैं. Correct answer is B, Manoj Sinha. And important PTN देख लेते हैं. So recently President Ramnath Kovind has appointed Mr. Manoj Sinha as the next Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, which is now a union territory. And he'll be replacing Girish Chand Murmu. So Murmu ji recently CAG बन गए हमारे, that is Comptroller Auditor General of India. इसलिए उनकी जगह पर मनोज सिन्हा जी को अपॉइंट किया गया है. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. भारतीय एक्सा हैज जॉइंड हैंड्स विद विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेमेंट्स बैंक टू ऑफर शॉप इंश्योरेंस फॉर रिटेलर्स? करेक्ट आंसर है दोस्तों डी, एयरटेल पेमेंट्स बैंक. नाउ एयरटेल पेमेंट्स बैंक एंड भारतीय एक्सा are going to together they are going to provide smart plan shop package policy to the retailers. So इसमें क्या होगा, अगर आपके दुकान में कोई एसेट है, कोई चीज़ है आपकी, like you are having a shop of electronics, अगर आपके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स चल जाते हैं या कुछ चोरी हो जाती है, so this policy is going to cover all these retail things. I hope this is clear. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. which of the following is testing, which company basically is testing fuel cells to provide backup power to its cloud data centers? Very important because it is related to environment. Correct answer is C, Microsoft. So let's see PTN. Now hydrogen fuel, friends, very important. It's the most abundant element in the universe, and it is Microsoft is basically trying to use it to generate power. And what they have done is recently for 48 hours they have run their data centers through hydrogen fuel. Okay, so they are trying to achieve that much efficiency through renewable sources of energy because it's the most abundant element in the universe. I hope this is clear. आगे बढ़ते हैं. With which of the following firms did BCCI, that is Board of Cricket Control in India, cancelled IPL's title sponsorship deal? Very essential, very important 3-star question. Correct answer is C, Vivo. Vivo के साथ BCCI और ने ये डील कैंसिल की है. So why? Because basically उन्होंने तो कुछ रीज़न दिया नहीं है. BCCI just said that Vivo will not be associated with IPL this year. But हम इसका अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं. Basically Vivo is a Chinese firm. ये एक Chinese कंपनी है. So we are having a lot of tension with China on the border issues. So that's why this can be a drawback to China. Next, China's Vivo also decided to pull out of the sponsorship deals of Big Boss and Pro Kabaddi League. So ये भी आप याद रखिए. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which is the first state in the country to announce a partnership with Google to promote remote learning for student? Remote यानी virtual learning या online learning. Correct answer है दोस्तों D, Maharashtra. Maharashtra and Google has collaborated, and now around 2.3 crore students and teachers of Maharashtra will have free access to Google's tools like G Suite for Education, Google Classroom, Google Meet. So all these things will be freely available to Maharashtra students and teachers. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is, which country will become the first country in the world to teach LGBTQ history in schools from 2021? Friends, correct answer is C, Scotland, and it's a very important question. So Scotland में students को LGBTQ history उन्होंने क्या struggles किए और कैसे वो लोग कितना movement चलाया उसके बारे में पढ़ाया जाएगा in the schools. So let's see the PTN. So this means that all government schools would be mandatorily receiving classes on problems faced by LGBTQ plus community and on equality. So इससे दोस्तों बचपन से ही students में ये फीलिंग होगी इक्वालिटी की, होमोफोबिक नहीं होंगे, उनको ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में शुरू से बताया जाएगा. सो दैट्स अ गुड इनिशिएटिव टेकन बाय स्कॉटलैंड गवर्नमेंट. चलिए आगे बढ़ता है. Joe Biden, the Democratic Party's presidential candidate, has selected who among the following as his vice president nominee? Friends, बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में आया था. करेक्ट आंसर है ए, कमला हैरिस, जो कि भारतीय मूल की नागरिक हैं, US नागरिक. And PTN, so very important PTN basically. A woman has never served as the president or vice president of the United States. So friends, कितने ही प्रेसिडेंट हो गए यूएस में, बट अभी भी कोई भी फीमेल प्रेसिडेंट नहीं बना है, यानी कि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी नहीं बना है. ओके, सो कमला हैरिस इज द फर्स्ट इंडियन अमेरिकन and also the first non-white women to accept the nomination for vice president from a major political, that is Democratic Party of USA. So I hope this is clear. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following banks has launched first of its kind product for the armed forces named Shaurya KGC card? Friends, correct answer is C, HDFC Bank. Let's see the PTN. So this card will provide a life cover of rupees 10 lakh as against 2 lakh on an average card. So इसमें ये ज़्यादा है, 10 lakh का cover है. Another thing is simple and easy documentation. So आपको personal वहाँ पे physically present नहीं होना पड़ेगा. This will accommodate the your nature of the job and its availability. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which state government has got Scotch Platinum Award in Digital India category in 66th edition? Friends, correct answer is A. West Bengal has received this award. अब क्यों मिला है वो भी देख लेते हैं. E-Samadhan Public Grievance System of West Bengal received the Scotch Platinum Award, and why this has been given? Because of the top performance of grievance redressal. यानी कि कोई भी जो grievances आते थे, complaints आती थी, उसको redress करा, उनको सुधारा गया by this E-Samadhan Public Grievance System. That's why the government has received this award. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which firm topped the Future Brand Index 2020 to become the most valuable brand? Very, very important question. Correct answer is C, Apple. So according to Future Brand, Apple is the most valuable brand. उसके बाद बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पीटीएन आता है कि रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज जो इंडियन कंपनी है, इट वाज रैंक्ड सेकंड बिगेस्ट ब्रांड आफ्टर एप्पल, विच टॉप द इंडेक्स ऑफ कोर्स. सो सेकंड नंबर पे देखा जाए तो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज है, और सैमसंग जो है वो थर्ड पर आया है. एंड देन दीज आर द कंपनीज विच हैव accordingly they have got the rank. So I hope this is clear. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has set the target of zero road fatalities by which of the following years? So by 2030 is the correct answer. So we expect that by 2030 there will be zero fatalities or zero death on road. Let's see the PTN. So Nitin Gadkari, he is the Minister for Road Transport, Highways and MSME. So these two departments are overseen by मिस्टर नितिन गडकरी. एंड उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि वर्ल्ड बैंक एंड एडीबी ने, एडीबी दैट इज एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक, हैज कमिटेड 7,000 crore rupees so that India can reach this target. Okay, so India has also received a lot of funding for this initiative. आगे बढ़ता है. India and which of the following countries has signed an agreement on space cooperation in August 2020? Friends, correct answer is D, Nigeria. Yes. So don't be surprised. Yes, Nigeria and India is going to collaborate in terms of space technology. So this MOU is in collaboration for space science, planetary exploration, ground stations, and various other joint research and development programs done in coordination with Nigeria. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which state government has launched the Indira Rasoi Yojana, which will provide meals for ₹8 only? So 8 rupees में आपको मील मिल सकता है. किस स्टेट में अंडर दिस योजना? करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, राजस्थान. फ्रेंड्स, आप इसको गेस भी कर सकते थे. कैसे? इंदिरा रसोई. सो बेसिकली स्कीम्स आर जनरली नेम्ड ऑन द नेम ऑफ अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर, एंड इंदिरा गांधी वाज द फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर and she is from Congress party. So in the option only Rajasthan is the Congress ruled state, so that's why correct answer is Rajasthan. Simple. Let's see the PTN. So with 358 kitchens in 213 city wards, the Rajasthan government will provide food from 8 AM to 1 PM and from 5 PM to 8 PM on a daily basis. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Sputnik V is the name of the first registered COVID-19 vaccine. Which country has produced it? Friend, recently you must have heard that Russia is the first country to produce a vaccine for coronavirus. चलिए PTN देखते हैं. So Russia named its coronavirus vaccine as Sputnik V in reference to the world's first satellite. So the name of the first satellite was Sputnik, and it was launched by Russia itself. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Name the country which has successfully tested advanced missile defense system Arrow 2 interceptor. Friends, correct answer is D, Israel. Israel has recently tested this Arrow 2 interceptor. So it's a part of multi-layered system Israel has developed to defend both short and mid-range rockets from Gaza and Lebanon. So friends, आपको पता होगा इसराइल का बहुत ज़्यादा बॉर्डर इश्यूज रहते हैं, या एक अपने नेबरहुड से इशू रहता है गाजा, लेबनान जैसी कंट्रीज से. सो ऑल्सो फ्रॉम ईरान. सो इसलिए उन्होंने ये इंटरसेप्टर का टेस्ट किया है. आगे बढ़ता है. PM Modi recently inaugurated a submarine optical fiber cable, very essential question, connecting Chennai and which of the following states or union territories? Friends, very no-brainer question but very important. Correct answer is D, Andaman and Nicobar. So from Chennai, this is going to be connected from Chennai to Port Blair. Let's see the PTN. So PM said that through this optical fiber, the people of Andaman will be connected to the world and they'll get high-speed broadband connectivity and a big boost to the local economy. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. So friends, now we have come to the assignment question. Please आप मुझे ये questions के आंसर comment section में बताइए. First question है, who has been recently elected as the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? Next, कौन सी ऐसी कंट्री है जो IPL को इस बार होस्ट करने वाली है, उसका नाम बताइए. Next, which country is planning to develop India's first which state is planning to develop India's first snow leopard conservation center? Next, name the country which has conducted test flight of LGM-30G Minuteman. Remember this name, Minuteman 3 missile recently. So इन चारों questions का please मुझे comment section में answer बताइए. Then I'll tell you which is the correct one. So thanks a lot guys for watching. I hope the videos are helping you and you are liking them. So if this video was helpful, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to Novation for more awesome content. So friends, I'll see you next time with another important video. Until then, bye bye.